What's up guys, Sophia here, and I am back with another hair tutorial. You probably can't even see all the hair because it is so much, but I don't know what to tell you, y'all. I mean, I guess I could stand up, but I don't know. It's kind of awkward me trying to do all of that. But anyway, forget all of that. If you want to learn how to get this hair, no glue, no sew, super easy, then go ahead and stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just part it down the middle, and I kind of already have it here, and then I'm gonna do a side part. I mean, like a little swoop bang, and so I'm going to do this. Okay, now that I have my part happening, I am going to put it into ponytails. But since my hair is short and I want it to be super sleek, I'm gonna like do it specially. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna take the back part and then put it in a ponytail first, and then I'm gonna take the front part and slide it into the same ponytail, and that just keeps it more sleek, especially for those of us who have shorter hair. For those who are curious, I'm using Eco Styler and Shine and Jam on my hair, and I will leave the products in the description box for those who are very curious about what is happening here. So I'm gonna do this side and then I will be right back. All right, so here is how we looking. I'm just gonna put a scarf on it just for a bit, just because it's a little bit wet and you really need it to be, you know what I mean, like sleek and all that wonderful good stuff. And so I'm not gonna keep it on for long, but I will be back, and then we can continue to the rest of the hairstyle. Okay, it hasn't been that long, maybe like 30 minutes, but I wanna go ahead and finish this up. So I'm gonna be using this hair. It is the Body Wave Shake and Go, and it is long, y'all, long. Like that's how I want it. This is synthetic hair, you know, it's okay. And I did go ahead also to braid my thingamajigs. Okay, so this is gonna be a glueless method. So just unwrap the tracks, but you wanna kinda take this end of the track and just wrap it like this. And then we're gonna take the rest of the track and we are going to wrap it around the base. Okay, so I have kept wrapping all the way until you get to the end. You are going to want to take this as you continue to wrap. And just like we did in the beginning, you are going to wrap this part around the base. Once that is said and done, obviously we want to cover this up, and so we are going to take a piece from the ponytail, and this hair is very thin, y'all. Like, I don't know, I don't like it. Like, I mean, I thought it was gonna be so much thicker, but I only have 2 packs, so I can't really put two of these in there. I want to, but all right. So take a piece. And we want this one to be very neat because we are going to take it and basically choose to wrap it at the base of the ponytail, just to make sure that all this stuff at the base that we did, that was just to secure the weft, and we need to cover that up because it's not pretty. kind of flat when you do it. You want it to look nice and neat. And when you get to the end, you are going to bobby pin this part so that it will stay, because it will kind of come unraveled. I'm going to finish this side and then we will be back to finish it up. Okay, so because the hair is so thin, I decided to do like this type of thing because it was just too thin looking in my opinion. So, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this because the hair was just way too thin to keep them out like this for my liking. And so anyway, this is just a minor change. Really, all you're gonna do is like go like this and get a rubber band and put it on. And so I did that 5 times on the other side, and I'm going to do the same on this side. And then you can always fluff these out to make sure that they're little balls. And so for the finishing touches, you're just gonna get gold string and wrap them around each situation. All right, so that is about it. Y'all really can't even see like the whole thing because it's so long. Anyways, if you like this tutorial, if you like me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a follow, give me a heart. Whatever platform it is that you are watching this on, then, you know, do your thing. And I will talk to you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.